Hey, I'm Kay. Today, let's make chicken fried rice. You need chicken thighs, cooked and chilled rice, eggs, green onion, mixed vegetable, garlic, butter, sugar, salt, soy sauce, sesame oil, pepper. Turn the stove to a medium-high heat. Melt half tablespoon of butter. Add 2 eggs on the pan. Cook them scrambled. Take them out and put it aside. Melt half tablespoon of butter. Infuse it with garlic. Place the chicken. Stir fry them until it's fully cooked. Take it out and set it aside. Melt half tablespoon of butter. Place all of the onion, mixed veggies. Stir fry them until the onion started to become transparent. Make some room in the middle. Melt half tablespoon of butter and place the rice on top of it, breaking the rice apart. On medium-high heat, stir and mix rice and veggie for 1 minute. Add chicken and eggs. Add sugar. Mix well. Then add salt, soy sauce. Stir fry them on medium-high heat for 3 minutes or until the rice is evenly coated with soy sauce. The preferred moisture level and texture. Turn the stove down and half tablespoon of sesame oil. Throw the chopped green onion. Mix well. And it's done. Enjoy your chicken fried rice.